Hey, what's going on, people? I hope you guys are doing good. So the holidays are right around the corner, and that means that Black Friday and Cyber Monday are also right around the corner, and all of the sales that come with the holiday season. So it's pretty much the best time of the year to pick yourself up a brand new vacuum if you're in the market for one. Now, with that being said, 4 things go through my mind whenever I'm shopping for a vacuum. First and foremost, price. Then, what do I get for that price? What is the value per dollar? Then the third thing is the suction power. How good can this vacuum actually clean? And then number 4, battery life. How long can I clean on a single session? Now with that in mind, Eufy was kind enough to reach out to me and sponsor this video, but before you click off, hear me out. They do have a vacuum sitting on this table, it's right here, but they wanted me to compare their Eufy H30 Max to their leading competition. Now, that is a company that truly stands by their product because they asked me not to take it easy and do a full comparison. We are going to dive into this comparison focusing on those 4 main categories, and we're gonna kick this off with price. So beginning with the Eufy H30, this vacuum has many different price points. At the time of this video, you can pick this particular vacuum up for around $100. I'm gonna drop links to not only the Eufy H30, but also the competitor vacuums down in the description so that way you can check for up-to-date pricing yourself. The next vacuum we have on the list is the Bissel Pet Hair Eraser. And you can see there is quite a bit of a size difference between these 2 vacuums. Now the Bissel Pet Hair Eraser currently, at the time of this video, retails for $80. Last but not least, we have the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus handheld portable vacuum. Now just like the Bissell, this one also retails for about $80 at the time of this video. And once again, you can see there is a big size difference when you compare the Shark to the Eufy H30. Now, if we're going by design and build quality alone, I have to say the Eufy H30 feels much more solid in the hand. It has a slimmer, sleeker design, and I love the faux carbon fiber that's located as a strip right along the front. It just looks, feels, and handles like a more premium vacuum versus these other 2, which yes, they do have quite a bit of grip and they do feel good in the hand, but they're a little bit more plasticky and a little bit more cheapy in the hand versus the Eufy. Now let's talk about what you get for that amount of money when it comes to each of these vacuums. Inside the Eufy H30 box, you get the main body of the vacuum, you get a lithium-ion battery, you get an AC adapter, a charging base, 2-in-1 crevice tool, a mini motorized pet brush, and wall plugs and screws for attaching the charging base to a wall or a table. Inside the box of the Bissel Pet Hair Eraser, you get the base unit or the vacuum itself, a crevice tool, a motorized brush, a charging adapter plug, and an upholstery tool. Inside the Shark Cyclone Pet Pro Plus box, you get the vacuum itself, a motorized self-cleaning pet power brush, a scrubbing brush, and a crevice tool. The dock not only keeps everything organized, but it also doubles as a charging base, so all you have to do is just dock the vacuum, and when you need it, grab it, and it's ready to go. One important thing I did not mention in the unboxing experience is that all of these vacuums include the necessary components like gaskets and filters to give you a strong suction capability. I didn't cover it because it's all pre-installed and you won't have to do anything outside of maintaining those components. Now, looking at the unboxing experience alone, you do get a little bit more in the box with the Eufy, considering you get a dock and then mounting hardware for that dock. So if you're looking for a little bit more inside the box, you're gonna get that with the H30. With all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and compare the suction capabilities of these 3 vacuums to find out which one is going to give you the best cleaning performance. To do that, we're gonna use 4 different surfaces. We're gonna use hard tile, we're gonna use a rug, carpet, and card floor mats. We're gonna create the same exact mess across the board, keep things even. We're gonna do 4 passes and find out which one cleans the best out of those 4 passes on all 4 different surfaces. Kicking things off with the tile flooring, I created a mess using pet bedding and pillow stuffing to simulate dirt and pet hair. I tried to keep the messes identical, but it's really hard to make things exactly even. Thanks to the Eufy H30 having such a large roller brush attachment, it can vacuum more on a single pass. As you'll see throughout these tests, this gives a huge advantage to the H30. After 4 passes, the Eufy H30 certainly did the best, leaving behind far less mess. The Bissell did the worst out of the 3. This is kind of a trend throughout with this vacuum, as you'll see. There is one advantage the Shark has over both the Bissell and the Eufy. The roller brush design is very clever. It never gets tangled up no matter what I'm vacuuming. Same thing here for the mesh materials, although I tried to use a little more of the pillow stuffing to really try and trip up the Eufy. I wanted to try and give a win to a different vacuum, but nope. That just didn't happen. As you can see, the Eufy H30 once again came out on top here by leaving less mess behind after 4 passes. Once again, the Shark roller brush design came out on top here. Finally, we have a car mat, since I feel like a lot of people that are going to be buying these vacuums will be using them to clean their vehicles. Once again, the Eufy H30 came out on top here. The funny thing is, just like on the carpet test, the Shark performed the worst regardless of the roller brush design. That said, I do feel I might have slipped up a little bit and left the Shark a little more on the mat. Like I said, it's really hard to make these faux spills and messes identical. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life. The Eufy H30 can last up to 20 minutes on a single charge, depending on whether you're using Eco or Max. The Bissel Pet Hair Eraser can last up to 17 minutes. Meanwhile, the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus can last just over 10 minutes, making it the weakest out of these 3 vacuums. But the Eufy H30, regardless of the time limit, has the biggest advantage here because it has a user swappable battery, meaning that you could pick up 5 extra batteries, 10 extra batteries, even 20 extra batteries, and vacuum until your heart's content, because as these batteries die, you could just plug in a new one, whereas these other 2 vacuums have non-removable batteries, so every time they die, you have to redock the vacuum and wait for that charge. That is a huge advantage for the Eufy H30. So let's wrap this up. All 3 of these vacuums are fantastic, and they're gonna give you great cleaning performance. They're gonna give you decent battery life, and they're all compact enough to toss in a vehicle on a road trip, toss in a bag if you're going out of town and you wanna bring a small handheld vacuum with you. They're great for cleaning things like upholstery, even spot cleaning on the carpet and rugs and things like that. But you're gonna get better battery life on the Eufy. It's also slightly more compact, making it better for a vehicle, and it has that swappable battery, giving you unlimited battery life depending on how many batteries you choose to pick up. Personally, while the Eufy is more expensive than these other 2 vacuums, you're getting a lot of benefits for that extra additional money that I think make it the choice between these 3. But let me know in the comment section, which vacuum did you go with? Which vacuum do you currently own? Or are you in the market for one and now you're about to pick up the Eufy H30? I love hearing from you guys, so sound off down below. Make sure to check out the description for links on these, as well as up-to-date pricing, and any promo codes that I might include can be found down there as well. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.